Let's walk through the hardware quick start guide. To ensure there was no damage in shipping, we recommend you connect everything and verify functionality before performing a permanent installation. Begin by connecting the extension cable to an extension camera. Then connect the other end to the main camera's video input, pushing in and then twisting clockwise. Now, connect the extension cable to the power splitter. Repeat for all the extension cameras. Next, connect the main camera's power input into the power splitter. Now connect the power splitter to the power extension cable. Then connect the power extension to the power adapter. Next, connect the power adapter to an outlet. The status LED will begin blinking blue, and you will hear "Ready for pairing." The Ethernet port on the main camera is an optional backup connection to your network. After the initial Wi-Fi connection has been established, you may connect to your network via Ethernet if desired. We're always striving to improve the app, and consequently, this video may not match its current state of development. For the latest instructions, access the manual via the app itself or go to support.swann.com and search for Fourtify. Using the app is virtually identical on an iOS device and an Android device. We'll show you the steps on an iOS device, and you'll be able to follow along for either type of device. Go to your App Store and search for Swann Security. Now, follow the on-screen instructions to install and accept any licensing requirements that may appear. After you've completed all the steps, sign into the Swann Security app. The installation is best completed near a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. If your router is operating on the 5 GHz band, please ensure it's operating in mixed mode. Ensure your phone is connected to the same 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Next, select the menu. Then select Pair Device. Now tap Start. Now scan the device's QR code. Tap the Next button to continue. Then tap the Next button again. The Wi-Fi network name field is auto-filled with the network that your phone is currently using. Your camera will join this Wi-Fi network by default. Now, enter and confirm your Wi-Fi network password. Then tap the Next button. Tap Yes on the confirmation pop-up. Then check to see if the LED indicator of your camera is blinking blue slowly to indicate the camera is in Wi-Fi pairing mode. If the camera is not in pairing mode, reboot the camera by turning it off, waiting 60 seconds, and then turning it back on. When the LED indicator starts blinking blue slowly, your camera is in pairing mode. Tap Yes to continue. Tap the Start button. Then tap Join on the confirmation pop-up. This allows the app to automatically connect to the camera's hotspot and pair your camera to your home Wi-Fi. Then give your recorder a name. Now select your place of purchase. Now, select Done. The live view screen will display your connected cameras. Choose a location with good, reliable Wi-Fi reception to ensure best streaming and battery performance. Use your phone to check signal strength at the camera's intended location. Best results will be achieved when 2 or more bars of Wi-Fi signal are indicated. To mount the cameras, insert the provided screws and secure it to the surface, using the wall anchors if necessary. Slightly loosen the adjustment screws. Then, while watching the feed on your mobile, adjust the camera for the best field of view and secure it in place. Now, neatly route the cables to the main camera and connect them as seen earlier in this video. You can now view and use the live controls for all 4 cameras in the Swann Security app.